Hello and welcome to another update video about Bonk. So I haven't covered Bonk for a while, kind of neglected it, but not much happened anyway. Even though, okay, I shouldn't say that. I mean, you know, what doesn't look much is actually quite a lot in terms of price action. But I think in the last update we were somewhere up here already. So overall, yeah, I mean, not any new insights really. I have tried to make the chart clearer, however, with a few minor adjustments. So we're still looking here at a scenario in which a wave 1 possibly topped on the 14th of December. Yeah, this price top at around 350830. You know, who knows how many zeros before. This price top on the 14th of December. And then, yeah, in the yellow count, this here is a flat structure where the A wave bottomed early January. I mean, this here is a crystal clear 3-wave move to the upside. Yeah, crystal clear. So it could be an A, B, C structure in wave B. And then this could now be an unfolding C wave to the downside. Special situation here. Normally, we want that a C wave lands below the low of the A wave. And that would be below the 8th of January low. However, because the B wave did overshoot, it is possible that the C wave only reaches the 100% extension level. And that's here at 126,316. So I'm just saying this is sort of the first key level there to watch. Obviously below that, the 1.236 extension level, highly relevant, because that's exactly where on the 5th of February we had a low and on the 8th of January. So that could be, I think the upper section of that support zone down there in white could be an interesting one in case we form the C wave. In the blue count, actually the low was a wave 4, the low of the 8th of January. And I've introduced the blue count because this dip is not strong enough for a wave 2. I mean, alternatively, we could say the wave 2 bottomed here, but that's just not what's happening because the rally is not third wave style, okay? So it's probably a 5th wave to the upside that's unfolding, but it needs another high, or it's a 3-wave move up in a high B wave. We'll see. The yellow count is obviously much more bullish long term or medium term even, you know, whereas in the short term, the blue one is more bullish because it could turn to the upside directly from here. Now in the blue count, we've completed a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3. This is a wave 4 pullback and it would be a diagonal pattern to the upside. So there's a clear support range here. It's between was it 215, 253 and 0.178, 478. Okay, so that's a support area for the wave 4 in blue. And ideally this low would be in before breaking below that golden ratio level there. So that means basically it makes sense to follow the blue count at the moment because we are above support. A break below the micro support area would suggest it's yellow. They are both, however, still allowing for further bullish upside trend continuation. Just the yellow count allows for a much, much deeper pullback into the white support zone. Yeah. So at the moment, but they are not, it has turned into a bit of a mess. I mean, you know, this is quite a decent pullback. I think it's reasonable to watch for a 5th wave to the upside, but it would need to start so somewhere from here. It should be limited to maybe one more low, the blue count. So if there is more than just one more low, I don't think it's blue. I would argue it's yellow, because in the blue count, really, I mean, it looks like it might want to do another low, but then that limits it. Okay, below that golden ratio level there, it would have to be something different. And the only other count that really makes sense here is then the yellow C wave, for which I gave you a clear target range. Yeah, and also, if we then talk about the 5th wave that could unfold, I mean, target here, first real target would be here, the 38.2 FIB extension. And this is sort of 0.730239. Yeah, I mean, that's just one key level to watch as we go higher. And yeah, essentially the 5th wave, because this here would be an ending diagonal, would be an ABC structure as well. So this would be an ABC highlighted in blue. Yeah, overall, not the greatest chart. I mean, it's turned into a bit of a mess because of this wave 5 situation there, and the wave 5 can always be a diagonal. And then for a wave 2, this wasn't really deep enough, so it's a bit of a mess, but I think the parameters are clearly defined. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.